Welcome to Rusty Hammer Forge, where steel, fire, and hammer come together to shape blades and tools by hand. On this channel, I forge knives, axes, Damascus, and tools from raw steel. Sometimes proven steels, sometimes mystery junkyard finds. We put them to the test, push them to the limit, and share the craft of blacksmithing one project at a time. Blacksmithing isn't just about making sharp things. It's about learning, experimenting, and keeping this old craft alive. Whether you're a beginner, a fellow smith, or just curious about steel, there's something here for you. So if you love fire, steel, and a little bit of shop talk, hit subscribe and join me at the forge. Stay safe out there, be well, and as always, forge on.